A very good morning.
We are very keen to share with you some of the unique ecoregions of Gorongosa National Park. The rolling grasslands are highly nutritious, very attractive to lots of wildlife of the park. Now listen, right in the distance, you can hear the big male lions roaring. They're probably two, and they're all busy calling in duet right now. Bush pigs are some of the very rare species around here. As you can see, they've just frozen. They actually believe in freezing in order for camouflage and hope that nobody will detect them as soon as they stop walking. It's not very unusual for you to come across sables in the grasslands. They are such selective animals. They select their habitat accordingly. They actually group out in big clusters called the harem herd. The males are the ones that you can see that they've got the much bigger horns and they've got darker color than the females and some other the subordinate males. As soon as the young males attain the dark black color, they are not tolerated within the herd by the dominant males, and at that particular time they get kicked out and then they'll have to go and live on their own. Blue wildebeest coexist with other different species very well. You normally find them sharing the habitat with zebras or any of the other bulky feeders, as they actually prepare the grass suitable for them to feed on the short grass that they prefer. Lappet-faced vultures are such a special vulture species. They are missing in a lot of habitats, of which they actually occupy a very critical role in opening up the carcasses to allow all the other vultures to come and feed on. Buffaloes are some of the bulky grazers that actually help manipulate the grazing grass in order to encourage the smaller sweet grass to do better. They are ruminants. As you can see, they're busy chewing. They do regurgitate the food that they eat. Every now and then sit down and chew the cud and then move on. They have got some young males that occupy the periphery, and then with a few dominant bulls that hang out with them. Always when you're out there, it's easier to tell when there is some big guys around. You hear all the red-billed oxpeckers shrieking and all that. Then you know you need to be careful. Liechtenstein's hartebeest are regarded as some of the fastest antelopes in Africa. What you hear in the distance are the alarm calls from the velvet monkeys. And these animals, they all learned to recognize these calls and respect the alarm signal from different animal species that coexist with them in the same environment. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed your time with us and stay safe. We hope to see you next week.